If you're earning a decent salary, but your bank balance is back to zero a week before the payday, this video is for you. Most people and the gurus on the internet, they will tell you that you need to get some start a side hustle or ask for a pay rise at work. But I'm gonna be brutally honest with you, it won't fix it. That's not the way. Because you need to understand that you don't need more money. You just need to patch the leaks. In my last video, we spoke about why opening a bank account might give you anxiety. But once you stop hiding, you might face a new problem to see actually where your money are going. I used to be a guy who ended up with 20 pounds on my account to survive next 2 weeks. I used to blame economy, I used to blame everyone, everything. But what I didn't realize that time was that I was bleeding the money from 3 specific holes. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 specific silent leaks that I found in my personal life, a simple system to patch those holes within just 5 minutes a day. The first leak I found was how I call it the ghost subscriptions. Face the truth, you probably have 2, 3, 4, maybe even more applications, which one they're charging you might be $9.99 a month, which one you haven't probably opened and used for probably last half year or more. And that's what I call a ghost subscription. Because separately, they doesn't look big because it's just $9.99. But when you start adding those 3, 4, 5 subscriptions, suddenly they become a bit bigger problem. It could be your car payment going to a bin every year. And that's what drives me crazy when I find out that one. That I had so many forgotten trials, so many applications, subscriptions for different services because I just signed for a free trial and I just forgot. The laziness, my own laziness put me in that situation that I was giving away 50 pounds every single month for stuff that I didn't use. You can't fix what you can't see. The second one is how I call it the bad day tax. This one itself probably was my biggest struggle, and I'm not gonna lie you, sometimes I'm still fighting till today with that. Imagine that, you're going to work, you had a stressful day, so what you do? You open an Amazon application, you go there, you buy some stuff, you spend 50, 100 pounds maybe for it, a stuff just that gonna gives you a dopamine hit that just so gonna make you happy so you can recompensate that crap day you had it at work. The problem is that after that usually the delivery came because we are on Amazon Prime. Why not that $8.99 a month? That's not much either, innit? That's what we spoke earlier. It's come next day or maybe it's come even in the evening, and then after 2-3 days, maybe a week, end up in the corner on the shelf or somewhere in the storage collecting dusts. But 50 pounds or 100 pounds or whatever you spend, it's already gone from your account. And look, it's not that you are bad with money, it's just that emotional spending. Don't judge yourself for that. Don't be harsh on yourself, don't be bad on yourself because you've done that. But next time if you're gonna have that bad day at work, just track it, just observe it. Oh, do I really need that, or I'm just spending to get that hit of dopamine? And the moment you're gonna see that bad day tax on the paper and how much you actually spend on that moment, it's starting to lose the power. And the third leak, I call it the convenience trap. The delivery app and the convenience fees are the silent killer of your good paycheck. Why? Because it's not that coffee, it's that 5 pounds of a delivery charge on a 10 pounds meal. And why we do this? It's because our brain is not a supercomputer. It won't track you everything. And because of this, we are just tired, probably a hard day of work, and we're just looking for an easy path. That's why we buy a meal for 10 pounds and we pay 5 pounds of the delivery charges. So let's call it this way. It's a willpower trap. And because of that, you need a system. Most people will try to fix all those leaks by budgeting. They set a strict rules that they will need to follow to do that. And by this, they feel like in a jail. And because they put themselves in a jail, they quit in it. And that's why no matter what, your diet won't work and your budgeting won't work. And to fix that is one simple step. You don't need a budgeting. You don't need to be harsh on yourself. All what you need is a clarity. And this is why exactly I built my Spend Smart application. I need a tool that's gonna show me all those leaks in one place so I could stay accountable to myself without even thinking about it. And you can't patch a hole if you don't know what the hole is. So if you want an exact process of how I managed to find and patch my holes, I made a 7-day money clarity workbook. It's a simple printable that it's gonna give you that aha moment by day 7. I'll put the link down in the description. So now you will have the clarity, but most people in them 20s, they still fall in a dicker trap that will cost them years of freedom. So watch this video and I will show you how to avoid it.